How to fix camera quality on Android on Snapchat, of course. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search now for Snapchat. Open then Snapchat like this and scroll down and go to storage. Here now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data and click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click on OK. And what you should do right now, you have to go to permissions and you go to camera allow only while using the app, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.